It's for my dinner. Hello everybody, it's getting hotter in Korea, so I need some protein. I'm going to cook jjim. Jjim means stew. Dak means chicken, so stewed chicken. I will cook very simple way. I cut chicken and separated legs and flesh and leaves, and also I removed the fat. I'm gonna throw away this one, and I'll wash this one and boil them. Put some vinegar and some flowers. Wash properly. I like legs. I won't have this one. Lots of fat. Throw away. I don't want to be fat. When the water is boiling, and pour the chicken one by one. I'll cook just half chicken because my husband is at work. I don't want a lot, so just for my son. Half is for the later use. I'll put in the freezer. 5 minutes later, take them out and wash in the cold water. Lots of foreign metals are coming out. I need to remove. Oh my god. You must remove this one. Oh. Take out one by one. It's very hot. Be careful. Yummy legs. Wash in the cold water. Oh, it looks yummy. Cooking oil. I love this one. Wow, it looks yummy. The best one. 닭다리. Add some cooking oil again. 진간장 1 spoon. This is a 굴 sauce. Oyster sauce 1 spoon. And 1 sugar, organic sugar 1 spoon. And this is key point. Lots of minced garlic. This garlic can remove foreign smells and can be yummy. Lots of garlics. So it can be 마늘 chicken, garlic chicken. And close the lid. This is my favorite. Kids don't like garlic, but here the garlics are gone everywhere. Actually, it's yummy, even for kids. You can try this one. It's very easy, simple cook. You like this one? Or do you like this one? I need to go on a diet. I need this one and this one. Nearly done. I want to leave just a little more. Oh, this is done. Red pepper powder can remove foreign smell as well. Wow, it looks yummy. This is for my dinner.